This could completely change how people invest. Robinhood launched a new AI feature that lets Claude connect directly to your account using MCP. Once connected, Claude can research stocks, analyze your portfolio, monitor the market, and help automate your investing workflow. By the end of this video, you'll have everything connected and be ready to start using Robinhood's Agentic-powered trading workflows. The first step is choosing an AI platform that supports the Robinhood Trading MCP. In this tutorial, we'll be using Claude Code because it provides native support for MCP servers and makes the setup incredibly simple. Let's jump into Claude Code. Open Visual Studio Code or your preferred terminal, then launch Claude Code. Inside the terminal, we're going to add the Robinhood Trading MCP by running a single command. Type Claude MCP add Robinhood Trading, transport https://agent.robinhood.com/mcp/trading, and press enter. Claude automatically registers the Robinhood MCP server and adds it to your MCP configuration, so you don't have to manually edit any configuration files. Once the installation finishes, it's time to verify the MCP server is available. Inside Claude Code, type /mcp and press enter. You'll see a list of available MCP servers. Select Robinhood Trading from the list. Your browser will open so you can securely sign in and authorize Claude to access your Robinhood Agentic trading account. After authentication completes, Claude establishes a secure connection to Robinhood's MCP server. At this point, your AI agent can communicate directly with your brokerage account using Robinhood's official interface instead of relying on unofficial APIs or browser automation. The Robinhood Trading MCP gives your AI agent secure access to your Robinhood account. Once connected, Claude can view your account balances and portfolio holdings, access market data to research stocks and ETFs, manage your watch lists, and even create, review, and submit trading orders, all through Robinhood's official integration. To demonstrate the Robinhood Trading MCP, I've funded my Agentic trading account with $100. This is real money, not a paper trading account. Throughout this video, I'll show you how Claude analyzes stocks, reviews potential trades, and submits orders using natural language, so you can see the entire workflow from start to finish. Now that everything is connected, let's launch Claude Code. I'll use it to buy $13 of Google stock through the Robinhood Trading MCP. Claude will prepare the order, then Robinhood will ask for approval. Just review the details, type yes, and the trade will be submitted. On the screen, you'll see Claude load the Place Order tool, connect to the Robinhood Agentic trading account, and execute the trade. Claude Code has successfully placed an order to buy Google at a market price of $341.85. Let's open the Robinhood app to confirm the execution. On the right-hand side of the screen, you can see the Robinhood app showing the order execution details, with the status marked as filled at the market price, along with the exact date and time of execution. Now let's go ahead and place another order, this time to buy $13 worth of NVIDIA stock. We'll submit it the same way through the system, and then head back into the Robinhood app to confirm that the order goes through and check the execution details once it's filled. Disclaimer: nothing in this video constitutes financial, investment, or tax advice. I am not a financial advisor. All content is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Always do your own research and consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. If you enjoyed this, check out the next video where I show how to build a Robinhood trading agent that can automatically place trades. Hit that subscribe button to never miss another video. Thanks for watching.